I just wanted to give you guys a quick behind the scenes look at what happens when Rivers Lodge processes our catch or anybody else's catch and how it takes it from the fish to the package, how they process the fish. I'm excited to see that process and the fact that I don't have to do it. Anyway, we'll see you there.
See, you put name tags on each fish, first and last names, and I process these to the specifications of our customers. This is a process I go through all the time. This one, these two fish are going to be just two sides. Just like that. There's one beautiful fillet. Wow. We have to leave the tails on for identification purposes. Here's the second one. Now what I do is I take this name tag and I put them with these two fillets. So I know that's one fish there for one person. This is the next one. I clean them up a little bit. I've commercial fished all my life. Sometimes I use a spoon. Just a regular kitchen spoon. Probably works really good without, it doesn't damage the meat. It doesn't have a sharp edge. This is where I rinse them and I wash them. And then I have a table over here behind me. This is my, there's one fillet almost ready to be vacuum sealed. There's two beautiful fillets. This one. Those are two pieces for two different individual fish. Now at this point, I have 4 bags here for 4 pieces of fish. For instance, this is David, 1 coho fillet with the license number. Tom, 1 coho fillet. Put it in the bag. Like that. Try to square it off, make it look neat, nice. Now this is our vacuum sealer. Fillets. Put them in here neatly. Put that in. I close the lid. And in about 35 seconds that will be done. Good. Voila. On the vacuum pack side of salmon with his name and license number attached. A lot of our customers will ask us to cut this into single-sized portions. If it's just a husband and wife, they'll get like 5 meals out of this. We take each portion, we vacuum pack them in small bags, and then we put the small vacuum pack bags into a large master bag. After every fish, after every fish we grab, I'll give them a quick rinse and wash in a minute. But after I do that, which is the table. This is done after every tub of fish. But they get well rinsed and washed. Now this goes down to -40. Wow. I don't know if you can see much in here, but these go off dual plates in here. And in a couple hours, there she be, frozen solid. Nice. These are all. Close that. And wait for the next load to come in.
Perfect. Nice.
So that's it in a nutshell.